Hello students, I am Krishna Nagar, your maths teacher, and today we are going to discuss about the exercise 4.1. So let's start with the first question. The first question is, complete the last column of the given table. Here you can see that a table is given to you, and here you have to put the values of x and find out whether the equation is satisfied or not. So we will do it one by one. The first is x plus 3 is equal to 0. The given equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0, and we have to put the value x is equal to 3. Now what will we do? We will put the value of 3 in spite of x. So we will replace x by 3, and 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, which is not true. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and 6 is not equal to 0. So what will we say? That RHS and LHS are not equal. So the given value of x doesn't satisfy the given equation. Next, x plus 3 is equal to 0. And what the value is given of x? X is equal to 0. We will replace 0 with x. So in LHS, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, and RHS is equal to 0. So LHS and RHS is not equal to. So again the given value doesn't satisfy the given equation. Third is x plus 3 is equal to 0, and the value given is x is equal to minus 3. So we will replace x by minus 3 in LHS. So minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, and that is equal to RHS. So yes, x is equal to minus 3 satisfy the given equation. Next is x minus 7 is equal to 1. The given equation is x minus 7 is equal to 1. The value of x which we have to replace is x is equal to 7. So we will put x is equal to 7 in LHS. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, and RHS is 1. So here again LHS is not equal to RHS. So we will say that x is equal to 7 doesn't satisfy the given equation. Next is x minus 7 is equal to 1, and the value of x is given to us is 8. So we will put x is equal to 8 in LHS. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, yes, the given value x is equal to 8 satisfy the given equation. Next one is 5x is equal to 25, and the value of x is equal to 5. We will place x is equal to 5 in LHS. So we will get 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So yes, LHS and RHS both are equal. So we will say yes, the given value x is equal to 5 satisfy the given equation. Next is m upon 3 is equal to 2, and the value of m is equal to minus 6. So what will we do? Again we will put m is equal to minus 6 on the LHS side of the equation. So minus 6 upon 3 is equal to minus 2, and RHS is equal to 2. So we will say that LHS and RHS are not equal. So m is equal to minus 6 is not satisfying the given equation. So by doing all this, now what will we do? We will write down the answers in the given table as such. So you can see how you have to answer the question. You have to write first, you have to solve the questions, then you have to fill the answers in the given table. The next question is, check whether the value given in the bracket is the solution of the given equation or not. Here 6 parts are given, parts of the question 2. So the values are given in bracket. So you have to check whether the given values satisfy the given equation or not. Again we will go one by one. So let's start with the part A. The part A is n plus 5 is equal to 19. Okay, so n plus 5 is the LHS and RHS is equal to 19. The given value is n is equal to 1. We will place n is equal to 1 in the LHS of the equation. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 and RHS is equal to 19. So we will say that n is equal to 1 is not the solution of the given equation. Next is 7 plus 5 is equal to 19. So 7 plus 5 is the LHS and 19 is the RHS. The given value of n is equal to minus 2. So we will place n is equal to minus 2 in the given equation, that is 7n plus 5 in LHS. So 7 into minus 2 plus 5 will be the LHS and the answer is minus 9. So LHS is minus 9 and RHS is 19. So we can say that LHS is not equal to RHS, hence n is equal to minus 2 is not the solution of that given equation. The third one is 7n plus 5, that is LHS and RHS is 19. Now the given value of n is equal to 2. We will place n is equal to 2 in LHS. So n 7 into 2 plus 5, that means 14 plus 5 is equal to 19 and RHS is also 19. So we will say that n is equal to 2 is the solution for that given equation. The part D, here 4p minus 3 is LHS and 13 is RHS. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to place the value p is equal to 1 in this equation and check whether the value p is equal to 1 satisfy the given equation or not. So we will write down n is equal to p is equal to 1 in LHS. So 4 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now LHS is 13. So 1 is not equal to 13. That means LHS and RHS are not equal. So what will we say? We will say that p is equal to 1 doesn't satisfy the given equation. E part, here 4p minus 3 is LHS and 13 is RHS and the given value is p is equal to minus 4. So we will put minus 4 in place of p. So the equation will become 4 into minus 4 minus 3. So minus 4 into 4, that means minus 16 minus 3. So minus 19. Again minus 19 is not equal to 13, that is LHS and RHS both are not equal. So this will not be the solution of the given equation. Now the last part F, 4p minus 3 is LHS and 13 is RHS. The given value of p is equal to 0. So we will place 0 in place of p. So 4 into 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is again not equal to 13. So we will say that LHS and RHS are not equal. So 0 is equal to p is equal to 0 is not the solution for the given equation. So that's complete our first question, the second question. Now the third question. Solve the given equation by hit and trial method. What you have to do? You have to solve the equation given below by hit and trial or error method. So what will we do? We will do again one by one. The first part, 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Okay. Now LHS is 5p plus 2. And let's start with 0. Put p is equal to 0. When we put p is equal to 0, 5 into 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. That is not equal to RHS because RHS is 17. Now we will place, now try next one, that is put p is equal to 1. When we place p is equal to 1, 5 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 7. Again not equal to RHS. So we will place p is equal to 2. Now 5 into 2, 10 plus 2, 12. Again not equal to RHS. Now place p is equal to 3. So 5 into 3 plus 2, that 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. That is equal to RHS. Okay. So here p is equal to 3 satisfies the given equation. So our answer will be p is equal to 3. The second part, 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. This is the given equation and we have to find the value of m by hit and trial method. Okay. We will start with the 5. Okay, m is equal to 5. Place the value m is equal to 5. So 5 into 3 is 15 minus 14. So answer is 1, which is not equal to 4. So LHS and RHS are not equal. Now put m is equal to 6. 6 into 3, 18, and 18 minus 4 is equal to 4. So LHS and RHS are equal. So hence m is equal to 6 is the answer for the given equation. Now the question number 4. Here what we have to do? Write the equation for the following statements. Here statements are given to us, and what we have to do? We have to make the equation according to the given statement. The first statement is the sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. So x plus 4 is equal to 9 will be the answer for this. Second, 2 subtracted from y is 8. When 2 is subtracted from y, that means y minus 2 is equal to 8. The third one is 10 times a is equal to 17. So 10a is equal to 70. The fourth is the number b divided by 5 gives 6. The number b divided by 5 gives 6. The b upon 5 is equal to 6. The sixth one is 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. So 7 times m yani ki 7m plus 7 is equal to 77. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. So, okay, 1/4 of a number x, 1 by 4 x minus 4 is equal to 4. Eighth one is if you take away 6 from 6 times of y, you get 60. You take away 6 from 6 times of y. 6y minus 6 is equal to 60. If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, if you add 3 to the 1/3 of z, that means 1 by 3 z plus 3 is equal to 30. So these are the answers. Here you can see these are the answers for the following statements. The next question is question number 5. Write the following equation in statement forms. What you have to do? You have to form a statement regarding these equations. So the first one is p plus 4 is equal to 15. So what we can say, when 4 is added to p gives us 15. Okay, there could be a different ways to say the same for same equation. You can have different statements. Okay, so you can form your own statement also. The second one is m minus 7 is equal to 3. When 7 is subtracted from m, it gives 3. The third is 2m is equal to 7. Twice of m gives 7. The fourth one is m upon 5 is equal to 3. So 1/5 of m is equal to 3. Fifth one is 3m by 5 is equal to 6. That means 1/5 of 3 times of m is equal to 6. 3p plus 4 is equal to 25. That means 3 times of p when added to 4 gives us 25. 4p minus 2 is equal to 18. When 2 is subtracted from 4 times of p, it gives 18. P upon 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Half of p added to 2 gives us 8. So this is how we can write the statements for the following equations. Here you can see that. So you can form your own statement for that particular equation. Next one is question number 6. Set up an equation in the following cases. Okay, what you have to do? The written statement is given to you and you have to form an equation for the given statement. The first equation is Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmit has. What he is saying? Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times Parmit's marble. Okay, if the Parmit having x marble, then Irfan has 5 times 5x plus 7 marbles. Irfan has 37 marbles. So if we are here given that m you have to take. So if the Parmit had m marbles, the Irfan has 5 times Parmit's marble. That means 5m plus 7 more plus 7, and the total number of marbles is 37. So here what will we do? We will write down, let the permit has number of marbles. So number of marbles Irfan has 5m plus 7, and the total number of marbles Irfan has is 37. So the equation become 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. This is how you have to form the equation for the given statements. The next one is, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Okay, you have to take Lakshmi's age as y. Now Lakshmi's father is 49 years old, okay, and he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. If the Lakshmi's age is y, the father's age will become 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. Okay, so this would be the answer for this statement. The next statement is, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What you have to do? Take this lowest score as L. Okay. So what is the highest score? According to the question, the highest score is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The lowest marks is L. Twice the lowest marks is 12, and 7 more plus 7, and the highest marks is 87. So the statement become 2L plus 7 is equal to 87. Next one is, in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Okay, so what you have to do? Let the base angle be B degree. Remember that the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. So this is the condition you already know, and this is given to you, that you have to take the base angle as B degree. Okay, as the triangle is isosceles, so you know that both the angles will be equal, both of B degree. So the vertex angle of the triangle will be 2B. According to the question, B plus 2B is equal to 180 degree. So 4B is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so this is how you have to make the statements. You have to make the equation to the given statement. Thank you.